Good evening. Monday turned out to be yet another tepid and choppy day on the Indian bourses as investors continued to be cautious amid lack of new triggers. Markets slipped in the early trades with weak Asian markets, setting the tone on growing speculation that China will further tighten steps to cool down its economy. Moody's stating that risks have grown for the credit ratings of Germany, UK, US and France was another sentiment dampener. Benchmark indices did manage to stage a smart recovery, erasing early losses, but the upswing came on with very low volumes. In addition, weak breadth and profit booking kept the benchmark indices under pressure. Banking stocks were under pressure throughout the day after select banks reported weak advanced tax numbers. Further, monthly inflation data showed acceleration in prices across the board, inching closer to the two-digit figures. This amplified concerns that the RBI would increase interest rates at its April policy meeting. Inflation rate rose to 9.89% in February as compared to 8.56% in January. December's inflation was also revised up to 8.10% from the provisional of 7.3%. IT heavyweights like Infosys, Wipro and TCS were among the notable gainers. In addition, oil and gas major Reliance Industries also held the indexes from a sharp decline. Finally, the BSE Sensex ended flat at 17,165 after touching a high of 17,195 and a low of 17,061. The NSE Nifty ended flat at 5,129. In Asia, the Nikkei in Japan remained unchanged, while Australia's S&P slipped 0.7%. Shanghai SE Composite ended lower by 1.2% and Hang Seng in the Hong Kong edged down 0.6%. In Europe, the stocks were trading with a negative bias. The DAX in Germany was down 0.2% and the CAC 40 of France was down 0.4%. The FTSE in the UK was down 0.3%. Coming back to India, among the BSE sectorial indices, the PSU index was the top loser, losing 1.4%, followed by the Capital Goods Index, which was down 1%, and the BSE Bank Index, which was also down 1%. Even the BSE Mid Cap Index was down 0.7%, and the BSE Small Cap Index was down 0.8%. Among the gainers were BSE IT Index, which was up 1.4%, and the BSE Tech Index, which was up 0.9%. Outside the frontline indices, the big gainers in the broader market were Chennai Petro, Opto Circuit, Apollo Hospital and LITL. On the other hand, the losers included NMDC, Hindustan Copper, M&M Financial and RCF. That's it for the day. Thank you and have a great day ahead.